Hello friends, welcome to a new video. And in today's weekly analysis, we will figure out two FNO stock. I've given the name IndusInd Bank and National Aluminium Nalco. And if we see Nifty on the expiry day on the last Thursday, we saw a sharp move, upside move, and surprisingly on Friday that move continued. Now, even US market have given a pullback. There was a news last night about debt ceiling is again now raised, and we can see the impact on US market. There was a breakdown here on the US chart, but right now after the news uh, which came last night on Friday, Dow have already factored that and it has given a pullback. Now on Friday, we have seen many mid cap counter also, going up, and we can see move of more than 4 to 5% in couple of mid cap counters. Nifty have breached or you know closed at 18,500 level. Now this is very important level. If you are watching our previous video, we have talked about 18,500 being critical resistance. Now in next trading session, or you can say for the week, for the next week, if market goes above 18,500, which mostly should, okay, there might be a gap up opening on Monday as well. That can't be ruled out by seeing US performance. So above 18,500 we can expect 18,600 and 18,700, these two level which we can play for. Now because of this news and a stronger market closing on Friday, uh, I'm expecting it to open gap up, okay, and if we open let's say 100 point gap up, okay, then also you can try to take long position. Now, reason behind that is because we are in an uptrend. You can see once the move is initiated, there is some profit booking pullback. Again, the move was initiated, then it went into the sideways consolidation. Now, finally, it is again giving a breakout. Then it is, wise to stay with the trend. And on a strong 100 point gap up, what you can do? So, if say market open gap up, just wait for the 5 minute candle closing, okay? And if candle close at this point, then mark that high and you can jump in on the next candle with this candle low as an SL. That can be a method which you can use. Or else if you want to play safe and you don't want to risk in gap up, then you can target some equity stock, okay, FNO counters, where you can ride that up move. So levels are quite clear. Above 18,500, 18,600 and 700 is the Nifty level. And on the downside, okay, if there is anything by surprise, if market goes down, which right now I am not expecting, so 18,400 now becomes your critical support area. So 18,400, watch for this 18,400 level. A market goes below this, then again we are in trouble. We might again see market touching the support area, but we are ruling this out. So I will mainly focus on upside trade on Monday. Going to the bank Nifty now. Bank Nifty is also going to give breakout if we see some gap up opening on Nifty and other component. Reliance is also closed at a very good level, at resistance level. There can be breakout in Reliance too. IT stocks are also going up, and now Bank Nifty is also poised to give a breakout here. So 42, okay, 44 250 is the level. If you're watching our previous video, I'm saying this is the all-time high level. 44 200 is the level. We can give 50 point because it's an all-time high level, and that time you will get a confirmation at 44 250, and you can ride the bank Nifty move. So that's why we have again picked up IndusInd Bank. Okay, I will go through it when I will discuss about FNO counter. So upside, a move above 44 250 now on the backdrop of strong US rebound on Friday session, and we can expect 44 500 level and 45,000 level. This two level now I will expect. And for the coming week, we can see if the breakout is successful, then 45,000 is the level which it can easily go to. Downside, we are not expecting now. I will rule out the downside. Still, a strong support lies near 43,400 level. Okay, that's a strong support area. Not expecting for any downside move as of now. Going to US, as we were discussing, now there is a strong pullback. Uh, on Monday opening, we will see whether their futures are trading above the Friday's closing. Then it will also act as a good confirmation for us. Hopefully, we are seeing that it might happen in the same manner, and let us see how future react on the Monday opening. Brent is again on a sideways, no specific signal we are getting. IndusInd Bank, you can see here, IndusInd Bank, we have also suggested, we have also reviewed this stock. We were studying this stock 2 or 3 days back in our video, and there was a resistance level which is 1285. Okay, now if this counter goes above this level, then one can expect good move in this particular counter. Now IndusInd Bank is also in high beta counter. You can see the moves are wild. So if the breakout is, you know it is, if it's not a false breakout, then we can definitely see some good up move of 40 to 80 rupees in this particular counter, and I won't be surprised even if it hits circuit in some next trading session, because this counter have underperformed all the banks. And if there is a breakout and there is some reason for market to go up, then this stock might also catch some some support from the broader market, and it will try to give a upside movement. So what 1285, okay, is the level, key level. 1285 you should watch for. Next is Nalco. Now see, Nalco is an interesting chart here. I will, yes, just click this. Nalco is an quite interesting chart. So let us do the analysis of Nalco. When we see National Aluminium, okay, what you will see is it was in trend during the pandemic time. See this. The metal rally was there during the pandemic time. Okay, this was the pre-pandemic fall. Sorry, pandemic fall. Then there was a breakout. This counter rallied. Okay, and you can see at that time there were many metal counters which were going up in the similar manner. Then there was correction. This was the time when Russia announced a war. After that, there was correction. Dollar index spiked up. You can see the correction was quite severe. After that, this went into the sideways consolidation. Under sideways consolidation, if you see recent consolidation, now recent it in the recent consolidation, this counter have shifted its range. Okay, now the range is smaller. Okay, so the counter is taking same resistance, but the support has moved up, which means there is strength among the buyers. Okay, number one point. Number two, what we will see is right now that there was a volume, okay, high volume in this particular counter, and it has reached its resistance level. Now this resistance level, okay, near about 86.5, is acting as a very strong resistance. The reason behind that is the similar level was acting as a support. Now see this, you can see this same level was acting as a support in the previous, in the past 2 years. Okay, and now this same level is acting as a resistance. This is called change of polarity, which means the same level was support, now it is acting as a resistance. And the third point you can see, okay, apart from volume, good volume on this candle, on the recent candle. Fourth, if you apply 200 DEMA on this particular counter, what you will find is this recent consolidation, okay, on the chart is happening above 200 DMA. Okay, and 200 DEMA is widely used as an objective signal to classify those counter which can give us good move. Okay, so basically it is used to classify whether the counter is in a bear run or bull run. Right now this is consolidating, and if I get a good breakout from here, then a big player might also like to ride the trend up till 120 130 kind of previous resistance zone. So Above 86.5, I would like to take a play here on upside, and I would like to keep a safe SL. Okay, below you know Friday's closing near about 84 level. Okay, that will give us a sufficient cushion here, and one can expect intraday 90, and if someone wants to do some positional for the week, then 100 can be the level we can see here. The only condition is 86.5 is a strong resistance level. Okay, it was acting as a support, now it is acting as a resistance. We want this price to go above this 86.5 level. So I hope you are liking our content. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, and I will meet you in the next episode.